Yes, sir! What's good, everybody, bro? Bro, it's been a freaking minute. Let's freaking go, bro. Today, we were playing Garten of the Band. I don't know what the fuck this game is, but we're playing it. I don't know what the fuck this is. But, hey, it's gonna be scary, hopefully. Let's freaking do it. I wanna get it. Let's just get into this, bro. I don't even know what it's about. I don't know what it's about at all. The fuck? For a parent looking for the missing child, this is a delicate matter. Click the clock to advance time. What? What the what? Okay. Yo. Up, down, up, down.
Really, nigga?
Dang, this is sensitivity is fast as freak. Hold shift to oh my god, bro. I gotta hold it to sprint. I'm guessing it goes here. Oh! Why was it so loud? What the fuck is this? Oh my god, of course it requires batteries, bro. It always requires batteries. Eat vegetables and fruits to become as strong like me! No! There's one battery. Oh, here's the other one. Alright. What do I do now? Do I go put in this? Oh my freaking god, dude. I didn't even see this. Don't freaking do that. What are these freaking big old buttons? Press left mouse button to use your toy. Oh, do I click on this button? Can you? Okay. I'm guessing it goes right here. Ah! I'm so fucking good, bro! Open the fucking door. Oh my god, dude, that's creepy as hell. Oh, I have to click both? Oh! The fuck are you? Drone, fuck this dude up for me. Fuck him up for me. Beat his ass. Dude, what the fuck? What is that? I ain't gonna lie, I'm not going in there. I'm going in there, I guess. What the fuck is that? Nah, we can go in here. Cannot directly command to break open materials such as yellow glass. What? The toy cannot directly... What the fuck does that even mean? Yo. Alright, yeah, go over there. Good. Oh, you can just break it? Yo, why am I coming over to you? Feed eggs? Eggs? Are you serious? Look at this little playground. Oh, fuck it. What the hell is this? What the hell? Oh my god, what the fuck was that? Yo. Click this shit. Click it! Fuck! Dude, there's no eggs! Damn, that shit came speeding. Okay, I don't know what that did, but, Hey, put this in your mouth.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
The fuck? How did I not see this? Here, take that fucking egg. There's another egg right here. Dude, I'm a fucking pro! Dude, there's no eggs! I'm gonna fucking die! Dude, where the fuck are the... There's no more eggs. Oh! Oh! Man, give me that fucking egg. What the fuck is happening? What? Oh, I'm not gonna lie, I was not counting how much eggs I was giving them, so it's probably my fault. Dude, there's no fucking eggs. No fucking eggs. Oh, I looked in here! Take your fucking eggs, you fat ass bitch. There's absolutely no way you want more fucking eggs. I don't feel like grabbing this. Oh, okay. Alright, so now we can turn this on. Button. Thank you. Fuck, you gotta be the stupidest nigga in the world. Distraction at 1. What? Alright. All of it! Okay. Laughter is the best medicine, so make sure to smile. Alright. What? Oh. What the hell is this? Oh, what the fuck? Is that a fucking couch? Alright, now what? Oh. Oh my fucking god, dude. Do I have a flashlight or something? Oh my god. Get the fuck off. Alright. Now what the hell is this? Are you fucking serious? Alright. What did this... Fuck! Oh! Oh shit! Here we go. You're white, I remember that. I don't know why you want to be white. He was red. Okay, don't switch him. The fuck were you? Green. Alright. And Doc Ock, he was... Wait, no. Teeth, he was blue. And you're fucking orange. I fucking like that. Oh! Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. Get the fuck away from me! Get the fuck away from me! Okay. Oh my fuck! I didn't think he was gonna start running after me. Oh my god, dude, you're fucking horrifying. Nah! What the fuck is that thing? Dude, hurry the fuck up! Stop! Stop! Dude! Ah! Fucking jump! I can't get up! I can't get up! Ah! Dude. Oh, you're fucking here already? Fucking click it. Dude, this thing is mad scary, dude. Are you fucking stupid? Fuck, oh my god, I made it. I'm fucking scared. Oh my god, dude, fuck. Name Uthman. Who the oh, that's his last name. Adam Uthman. Class EAD2. Gate B13. I don't fucking know. Alright, do I turn the TV? Oh! Move! Alright. Come here. Dude, fuck, dude, this game is actually so scary. What the fuck? This hallway is like so scary for no reason. Dude, I'm fucking terrified. Let me get on. Move. Fucking activate. This gate is so ass. Man, it's so safe. So safe. Hell no. Whose idea was it to come up here, bro? Oh, yep, we're dead. We're dead. I can't fuck. Whoa! What the fuck is that? Bro, get me off, get me off, get me off. Oh, hell no! Don't look at me! Oh, I'm dead. That was the longest fall ever. Bro, there's a part 2? Bro, I gotta play that some other time. If y'all enjoyed it, bro, please just, bro, like it up, bro. What the fuck, dude? That scared the hell out of me. Oh my god, bro, I'm gonna get out of here. It's getting hot.